How to delete downloads on Netflix. So let's get started. First, I'm going to click on my profile picture. Then you will see straight away these downloads. Click on it. And here, as we can see, I got one episode of Young Sheldon. Just simply tap and hold, and this icon will appear here. Click on it, and that's it. This is how can you simply delete download on Netflix app. If you are using web version, you can't delete your downloads because there is no option how to download here. But if you are using Netflix app for Windows, it's super easy. I found solution on this help center of Netflix, and it's gonna be the basically same as your mobile app. Just open Netflix app on your Windows, 3 horizontal lines, my downloads, just select your episode and simply click on delete icon. And that's it. It's gonna be the same as your mobile device. Thank you for watching. If you find it helpful, please leave a comment or hit the like button. And as always, have a great week and see you later.